Welcome, Center for Sport Leadership graduate students. We are excited to have you on campus for the upcoming academic year. We believe the next 12 months will have a profound impact on you professionally and personally. Overall, your experience will be very similar to what every CSL student has experienced over the last 20 years. We are also keenly aware that this year will be unlike any in our program's history. We are asking you to follow protocols and procedures that are intended to keep you, your classmates, and the faculty and staff safe during this global pandemic. This video will illustrate 3 new procedures being implemented by the Center for Sport Leadership: entering and exiting the classroom, entering and exiting the second floor of the sports medicine building, and classroom protocols. Let's start with some administrative details we need from you. Student IDs. To obtain your VCU card, take a picture ID and a copy of your class schedule to the VCU card office, which is located at 701 West Broad Street. Once you have your ID, please bring it to Beatrice Ferrara's office so she can make a copy. You will only receive card access to the sports medicine building and the workroom once you have done this. The classroom dress code for CSL graduate students is business casual. No jeans, sweatpants, sneakers, or hats are allowed. Please check your VCU email regularly for information and updates that impact our program, your graduate assistantship, and the university schedule overall. We have a student workroom available only to CSL students, located on the second floor of the sports medicine building. Tables and chairs will be spaced out to allow for social distancing. Please do not move the tables and chairs, and sit only one person per table. The most important thing to remember is you must wear your face covering anytime you are in the sports medicine building. That includes the classroom, faculty offices, and the student workroom. VCU is providing personal protective equipment to each student. It includes 3 masks, hand sanitizer, and disinfecting spray. You will receive an email from VCU about when and where you can pick up these items before the semester begins. Every morning, you will receive a daily health check email from VCU. You must complete this every morning, even on days you don't have class on campus. If there are days you are not feeling well or are exhibiting any of the symptoms in the daily health check email, please do not come to campus. We will provide a way for you to attend class remotely, which we will further explain at orientation. Our classroom, often referred to as the parlors, is on the first floor of the sports medicine building, located at 1300 West Broad Street. As you arrive for class each morning, you must enter the building from the West Broad Street side. The doors to the main entrance of the building will be locked to prevent unnecessary people from entering the lobby. The door immediately to the right of the main entrance will be labeled door number 2. CSL students should enter through door number 2 when attending class. Students will also exit through door number 2 when leaving class. The classroom is set up for social distancing, with each desk 6 feet apart on all sides. Upon arriving, please select your desk. Before you sit down, use your sanitizing spray to wipe down your desk. You should allow the spray to remain on the desk for 30 seconds before wiping it clean. For class each day, please make sure you bring your laptop and headphones, as instructors will be incorporating them into the curriculum. Instructors will be equipped with microphones so students can clearly hear regardless of where they sit in the classroom. To access the CSL's offices and student workroom on the second floor of the sports medicine building, students will not be permitted to use the elevator or stairwell off the main lobby. The main lobby will only be used for access to VCU student health, so we ask you to avoid this area to minimize contact with students needing health services. To access the second floor, students must use what is being referred to as the west entrance. To reach the west entrance, follow the sidewalk along the sports medicine building next to the parking lot. There is signage to indicate which door you should enter. Place your student ID on the keypad and the door will unlock. Before entering the building, make sure you are wearing your mask. Walk up the stairs, through the door, and turn right. Use your student ID to unlock the second door and proceed down the hallway past VCU athletic coaches' offices until you reach the CSL portion of the hallway. Please know you will only use the west entrance to enter the building. not exit. To exit the second floor, proceed down the hallway, past the CSL offices and workroom, and leave using the door at the end of the hallway. All of these procedures were developed by VCU to protect you and keep the university community safe. You have a responsibility to follow these procedures. Students who refuse to follow VCU policy regarding COVID-19 will be reported to the university administration. Finally, you should have received an email from VCU asking you to watch and complete a return to campus training video. This must be completed before you are back on campus. If you have any questions regarding these policies, please ask your advisor for clarification. Thank you for your cooperation, and again, welcome to the CSL Network.